Okay guys, so this is the one what I need right now. It is some bay leaves, which I'm going to be using to cleanse your lungs. All right, let's start it. Secondly, we're going to grab our kettle. Just going to get some water. And we're just going to put this to the boil. All right. Nice one. So our kettle is ready. So this morning I'm going to be using this thing right here to draw my bay leaf tea. Let's have a couple of bay leaves and put it straight inside of it like this. All right. Very, very good. What we're going to do, we're going to pour some hot water inside of it like this. Just going to cover this and we're going to leave this for a few minutes. All right, guys? Two things. You can either boil the bay leaf or you can draw it like this. Okay? But it is better for you to boil it or you can draw it, whatever. Half of a lemon juice. What I'm going to do is pour this in this right here. It's very good. You can use honey, but it doesn't recommend it. Stay tuned for more.